Imagine having your own thriving health coaching practice that delivers great results for your clients with confidence, clarity, and ease. What if you could make a real difference without sacrificing your health, your family, your relationships, and make a real living? And by real, I mean six figures without burning out your adrenals. I'm Dr. Shaunna, and I teach health coaches how to create six-figure practices. I outline this process in my book, Free to Heal, the 9 steps to a successful, soul-satisfying health coaching practice. If you stick with me to the end here, I'm going to share with you how you can get a free copy of my book where you will learn the self-healing principles that deliver great results for your clients, how to get clear on what you want and avoid self-sabotage, how to break free from the 9 to 5 to do your healing work, and most importantly, the simple but powerful 9 steps to a successful signature program. I think the biggest problem that health coaches have as they're struggling to get clients and launch their practice is there's so much conflicting information out there. How do you know what's tried and true? Here's what I think the secret is. When you have maximum clarity on what you want and who you serve, and you know exactly the steps to take along a proven path, a six-figure practice is inevitable. Last year, I had an opportunity to speak to thousands of coaches at an event in Miami with Deepak Chopra as the keynote. And these health coaches had accomplished amazing things. But the sad truth was most of these health coaches weren't health coaching, or at least not nearly to the potential. Over the years, as health coaches saw that I had created a six-figure practice, they wondered, how did I do that? And more importantly, how could they? So that is what inspired my book and this video. In this video, I'm going to teach you a powerful focusing tool and the 2 key determinants to a successful program. If you're a health coach, this really matters that we figure this out. The epidemics of obesity, diabetes, cancer, they're no secret, but you are. So let's change that. The first determinant of success is to have a clearly stated, super specific niche. This is the very first thing I work with my awakened healer clients on. This is a challenge for healers because too often they want to heal everyone's everything. When asked what they do, coaches will often say, well, I used to be a nurse and now I'm a health coach and I do Reiki and acupuncture and I really love helping people feel connected and healthy. Do you have any idea how this well-meaning person could actually help someone? No. Instead, you want to be crystal clear on what you do so that when asked, you can deliver a confident, what I call, power statement. This is a powerful focusing tool, and I'm going to teach you how to create yours right now. The power statement follows the formula, I help ideal client with specific problem to get specific result so that they can enjoy bonus benefit. Here's a few examples from some of my clients. Marianne's is, I help nurses with back pain move with ease so they can enjoy their career and family. Stacy's is, I help women with irritable bowel syndrome heal their gut and get rid of pain so that they can enjoy an active life again. Now, what I teach my clients to do is add on this little phrase at the end of that power statement, and that is, how about you? What do you do? Not only does this remind you to focus on the other person that you are speaking with, but it also allows that person to hear what you said and go to work for you. For example, Jonathan's power statement is, I help triathletes get rid of pain and get back to peak performance again. How about you? What do you do? Now, as that person is answering, they're going to be thinking, who do I know that is a triathlete? Or they might say, I'm not a triathlete, I'm a cyclist, but I have pain. Can you help me? They are much more likely to refer someone to you when you are specific than if you just helped people feel connected and be healthy. Or take Dr. Selby's example of, I help women with Crohn's heal their gut and prevent flares so they can enjoy life on their own terms. How about you? What do you do? Now, that person might reply, hey, my niece has Crohn's. Can you help her? This is a powerful statement that not only allows you to be confident and own what you do, but also attract your ideal clients. Now, the second determinant of success is to invest in quality mentors. This is the most important because you don't know what you don't know, and you can't see your own blind spots. One of the most common blind spots is in determining your expert niche. My client Jennifer wanted to help women prevent premature births. She'd had a premature birth and she wanted to prevent that. The problem is no one's looking to prevent a premature birth until they have one. So we went back to her story, mined it for the gold that is always there, and we realized Jennifer had a track record in PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome. Now, as a medical doctor and as a health coach, I knew that these women were actively looking for a solution for their weight gain, their infertility, and their facial hair. But what these women, and perhaps Jennifer herself, didn't fully appreciate was these women were also at risk for premature births. So as Jennifer helped these women get what they wanted, Jennifer could do what she really wanted to prevent premature births. Jennifer was tearfully grateful for my mentorship. She said, "Dr. Shaunna, this is amazing. I never would have figured that out, unraveled that knot on my own. But your unique perspective as a medical doctor and as a health coach is a total game changer." So I don't know how to help any old business, but if you are a health coach, I absolutely know how to extract your genius and package it into a effective signature program that delivers great results for your clients. Then we create an awareness campaign with clarity of messaging that allows you to attract your ideal clients. And we create a business plan that is in alignment with you, your lifestyle, strengths, and goals. So if you are a health coach looking to create a soul-satisfying six-figure practice, then you'll want my book. To get a copy, email me at shaunna@drshaunna.com, shaunna@drshaunna.com. I'll send you a copy of my book, but I'll also include a link to my calendar. The spots are obviously limited and they go fast, but first one to the calendar wins. But I would love to hear about your healing vision and help you clarify your expert niche. Be good for you.